So what's up everyone, my name is Ben and today we'll be doing a sound slash speaker test here on the iPhone 7 Plus. So let's just jump right in. Let's open up just YouTube and let's just find a song which is copyright free, and let's play it so you guys can hear how it sounds. So I'll just put the microphone right below it and we will see how this sounds over here actually.
We spoke, yet only with our eyes. Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see through your disguise. Lay it down, hope for something better. Looking at the clouds, the sliver in the weather. You can't keep this up. The lies are just too much. Kick back, start another fire. Looking at the clouds, making shapes that you admire. You can't stop it now, 'cause you don't know how.
Okay, so as you heard, the sound is pretty insane. It's loud as hell, and it sounds absolutely great. Now the bass is pretty much shaking up the whole phone, and it's just really good. So definitely a really good sounding speaker. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely drop this video a like, and I'll see you all in the next one.